the books up. Nobody's putting the books up, okay. Let's put the books up, guys. I said it twice. The third time is gonna get ugly. Third time, let's put the books up.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. This book right here, I can take a break. You should read a book at least every day. Anywhere, I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm reading them along if you feel like reading it free. Because I'm reading them along if you feel like this book is true. Because I'm reading them along if you know what reading can do to you. Because I'm reading them along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here comes the news, read the school is back. Yeah, 50 years strong, can't hold us back. Yeah, didn't sense before, so we be just fine. Still more work to do, don't waste our time. Here's why. Because I'm reading them along if you feel like reading it free. Because I'm reading them along if you feel like this book is true. Because I'm reading them along if you know what reading can do to you. Because I'm reading them along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. This book is too good to put it down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said tell you now, bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. This book is too good to put it down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said because I'm reading them along if you feel like reading it free too. Because I'm reading them along if you feel like that's what is true. Because I'm reading them along if you know what reading can do to you. Because I'm reading them along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm reading them along if you feel like reading it free too. Because I'm reading.
Excuse me. Your hands should be up. Close the books. Their time is over. Let's go.